Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad from Android. Today I walk you through how to fix incoming call not showing on lock screen. The step is very easy. Let's see if we have recorder or something like that. Yeah, we have recorder. I'll go to apps, or you scroll your window and click in the shares in the setting and go to apps. From apps you need to hit in the three dotted in the top right corner, and you need to show app system. That may be different. I use the Samsung phone. You need to look for phone setting. Scroll down until you see the phone. On apps. We're looking for it. Be patient. This is the phone. Click on it. I need to go to storage. From saying you need to clear the cache, and clear the data, and you go back again, and you're looking for, they have three options. Anyone, you go on it and click the storage and clear the cache and clear the data. After that, you need to restart your phone. Until you start your phone, you go in the apps. From apps, you hit in the three dots in the top right corner and restart the preference, because when I click that, the recorder will stop, and you need to restart the app preference. After that we fix the problem. And this video for today, hope for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.